angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how I keep my room organized. So if you want to see how I make my room look like this, then just keep on watching. So obviously we need to start off with the room tour. So I started off with in the corner with my beanbag, and then my studying corner and my dresser. You can obviously see I've been like trying to make my room look dirty just for this video. And then you see like behind my door, the closet and my desk. My closet isn't that bad. I didn't organize too much in this video, but my desk looks like a disaster. I kind of did that on purpose, not to lie. Then here's my bed. In quarantine, I haven't really been fixing it, so we need to fix that. So yeah, that's basically what my room looks like. So obviously we need to start off with music. I just asked Alexa to play whatever music I just decided to do. So my first tip is just, this is like the before. So my first tip is just to make your bed. I feel like when you make your bed, it just like brings the whole room together. I'm going to talk about how making your bed and cleaning your desk, those two are the main things if you have a desk, because a desk takes so much room in your room. That's funny. Your bed and your desk take up the most room. So if you have those two organized and then the rest of your room is messy, it'll just feel like a lot better, I guess you could say, and it just feels like cleaner. So now this is the after. My bed just looks so much better. I definitely want to do a room makeover, so comment down below if you guys want to see that video. My next big tip is just to put away like unnecessary things, so like my fan, or I have my laundry, so make sure you're putting your laundry away because those things take up away like a lot of space, and it just looks, I feel like it just looks sloppy. So that's one of the things that I like to do. Like if I get laundry, I either put it in my parents' room so that it's not in my room, or I do my laundry. So yeah, here's me doing my laundry and just putting it away, because I feel like once you eliminate bigger things, then your room just looks tidy and neat. The next thing that I do that really helps, so this is the before of my dresser, it's just to put things where they belong the first time. This really does help. You can see I'm just cleaning. So like I have like a mask and soap and my rubber bands for my braces and my jewelry just like everywhere. So what I like to do, I feel like if you have more space and things, it just makes your room feel more spacious than if you have a lot of things. So if you like take something out, just put it back. I talked about this in my my desk organization and how I just organized it. I'll link it in the eye. But I talked about this and it actually does help. Just put things where they go the first time and you will be set for life. Here's the after of my dresser that you're looking at. It just looks so much better when you put things where they belong the first time. And I'm telling you guys, everything I mentioned in this video just really helped me over the years. So now we're gonna move on to my desk. Now my desk is one of like the main parts of my room. So that's why we really need to like fix it up and organize things. So I just have like a binder, a book, and a planner, my like monthly planner. You guys know I like to have a weekly planner and then like a monthly planner. So this binder is my YouTube binder, just so that I can organize things. So then you guys can see that I just like to put things where they belong, and then after that I just wipe everything down. And then you're gonna see some clips of me just going through all the dressers and organizing things, putting things in different spots, reorganizing, things like that. That if you do all of these things to your desk, it's just gonna make it really neat and nice. But of course, if you want a more in-depth version, make sure to visit the video on how to have a neat / organized desk with my tips and what has helped me. So yeah. This is what the top of my desk looks like. It just makes my room feel a little bit more airy and just clean. So I'm just gonna go through my drawers for you guys. So I just finished organizing my drawers in my desk, and this is what my closet looked like. There's not much to do. I just had to reorganize my jeans, my shoes. I had to flip from winter shoes to summer shoes, and then this is what the after looked like, and then reorganize my purses, and that's basically all I did. Obviously, I didn't show you guys my desk too much because I have a whole video on that linked in the eye. So this is the before of like my studying corner, and my biggest tip for like if you have like a corner or something is just to reorganize a lot. I feel like you collect things and you need to like reorganize it so that you know what you have, things like that, so that you just make sure that everything is just clean and neat. And again, another thing that really helped, it's a small corner so you can't really tell, but I mean, reorganizing just is a lifesaver. This is the after of what just like the little corner looks like. It's, you know, it still has a beanbag, but it looks a lot better than it did. I kind of just organized it from like tallest to kind of like smallest or most useful. So then this is the before of like my actual corner, just like where I like to sit when I'm doing different things. This one, it used to be pink, and I felt like it just made like the room smaller, so I put a blanket over it. So eventually I want to get a cover. So I basically just threw in a bunch of stuff. It's getting warmer where I live, so I don't need blankets anymore like I used to. I literally have to put a fan on. So yeah, I'm just reorganizing my my blankets and everything. So that is basically it. And then here comes the after of how it looks. So now you're just gonna see the tour of the end product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to film. Also, I hope you guys are staying safe now that everything is opening up. I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video for more videos like this. This summer is going to be so awesome. I'm posting a lot of videos, and I may even post more than just every Sunday. I liked how my room turned out, and I hope that these tips kind of help you. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for every Sunday because I post a video, and I promise the next one's going to be a great one. Bye, angels.